the 2007 Toyota Camry Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 90,000 miles. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.